Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to go onto our iPad and click on find the App Store. So I already have it up here, so I'm going to click on it. Okay, let me back up a little bit. There we go. Okay, so I need to look for that Clips app. So I'm going to type in Clips. Okay, there it is right there. So I already have downloaded it, so I'm just going to click on Open. And there we are. Hi, everyone. Okay, so we are here today to learn how to use the Clips app for recording videos for those that wanted to use closed captioning. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. Now I want to make a video of myself signing with the whole closed captioning on the bottom. So let's set that up. Okay, so we're going to go, I think here, yes. Okay, so here we are. Now I am way too close, and that is okay for this video. But if you are going to be making a video of yourself signing something, signing a lesson, or signing a parent tutorial, trying to teach them how to do something, you need to push it further back. So the one thing I kind of think is like a with this is you cannot take this iPad and turn it this way. Okay, you can't turn it the long way. And because the closed captioning is still going to run this way. Okay, so we have to go back and use it this way. All right, so what you can do if you're trying to set it up to where you have a wider angle, you just put it further back like this and set it up how you want it. Just make sure whenever you're recording a video, just set it up first before you do any kind of recorded video, okay? All right, so here we go. So I am going to use this video to introduce myself to the parent of my student or students. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna make sure the closed captioning is on first. I like this setting. You can change it, but I think this is the setting that most of my students are used to. Remember, this is about the student, what their needs are and what they're used to. So, okay, let's see. I like this one. This is really great. So I am going to X out of here. I am not going to change my language because my student reads English, okay? Now, if it was a parent that speak Vietnamese and I'm doing a parent tutorial, then you could choose the Vietnamese option down here. But for right now, I'm going to use English, okay? I'm going to X out of here. And I've got this camera right here because I'm recording this video right now using my camera. So, so I'm sorry this is in the way. Okay, so here we go. We're going to hit this button right here, but we're going to slide up because we don't want to have to hold the button while it's while we are recording. Okay, so we go. I'm going to go up. Okay, like that. Now remember, you can edit this video. So if you goof during the video, what I do is I count to 5, and like my husband just sneezed a moment ago, so I would just count to 5 and just repeat what I said and use the trimming tool later on to fix it. Okay, so my name is Sarah Covert, and I am a teacher for the deaf and hard of hearing. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so that's how easy it was. So cool, right? All right, so now it's time to go back and edit it. So you're going to click on on your little video right there. Okay, now I kind of look a little odd. So I want to trim this. So I'm going to trim it, but you know what? First, what I would do is fix your closed captioning. I'm going to make sure that I like how the closed captioning looks. So I'm going to click on it somewhere so it comes up like this. Okay, there we go. All right. So like I said earlier, there are no punctuation, so put those in. Check your spelling, make sure everything looks good. All right, I'm just gonna pretend I've already done that, and I'm gonna hit done. All right, and then oh, I forgot to show you this earlier. You can change the style of it if you want to. So let's say you have about 5 of your 6 students say, hey, I don't like the closed captioning being down here. Can you move it up here above on your forehead? So this would be a good time to do it in your next video. All right, so I like where it is now, so I'm going to leave it. Okay, then let's see. Okay, the trimming tool, it's right there. So you could trim it. So I'm going to go where I'm looking at the camera. Okay, I'm just taking off like 0.1 second off, I think. So hit apply, play it. Okay, like that. Now remember, you can edit this video. So if you goof during the video, what I do is I count to 5. Okay, so it said girl for the word goof. So that is something that I need to go back and fix. And that's okay. It can be fixable. That's what I love about this. It's awesome. All right, let's say the video is great. It looks good. The spelling correct. The punctuations are there. Let's go and save it. Saved. Okay, the original clip has been saved into your library. So go to done up here. Ta-da! All right. Okay, there's the done. I'm sorry, the file. And there it is right there. Okay, so let's get out of there for 1 second. I didn't mention this up here earlier. So this lets you turn the camera around just like you do on FaceTime or when you take a selfie. Okay, and right now the camera is facing my laptop. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it back around. Oh, oops. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, so we are back. I think that's it. I hope this helps you out a lot while you're making your wonderful video for your students. I wish you the best of luck. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.